Good morning, it's Wendy from Winway Creations. How is everybody? Hope you're all well, looking after yourselves. Okay, today I'm doing my take on Anna from Pink Monarch Prints, Super Simple number 9's set, which is so cute and easy. Her daughter helped her design it. And so I'll pop her link and you can check this out, this number 9, and check out the other 8 as well on her channel because she does a beautiful job. Okay, so it's basically folding that goes into your journal page, opens up, you've got a pocket here, you've got 2 tags in that pocket. I made this a tuck, but I've glued it too far, so it would only be for something small. In the top big pocket here is a big tag. It's got a belly band on, and I've just put some old writing, piece of paper with old writing on it. That's got coffee dyed on the back for writing, journaling. Little owl. I did start this video and I did put these on upside down, so I had to fix it. So I will be starting from this front bit where I have rectified it. Anna glues hers, but you could leave it open. I prefer to leave mine open. A bit more journaling space. And this little cutie is a pocket within a pocket. It's a little tag in there you can write on. Yep, so how easy is that? How pretty. Okay, so as I said, I put mine on upside down. Now, Anna did this fancy loopy loop thing on this one and this one because I ripped these. I took these off. I've torn them, so this will go. This particular one will go in my ideas book. So you've got your 3 pockets, and I've decorated that. And then you fold this over, and this gets done up. This gets glued up. Yeah, so that was a lesson learned. Make sure you get your orientation right first, Wendy. I thought about it and I thought, no, that's right. And then after I put the pockets on, I'm looking at it and I thought, no, that's not right. It's upside down. And it wasn't until I put the last one on I realised. But anyway, easy fixed. And it's only I'm just going to put in my ideas book, so it doesn't matter. Nobody's going to see it but me. I'm not going to put it into anyone's journal I'm going to make. So this one goes here. It's your back piece. Make sure you can close it. I hope I'm in shot. Okay, so now we have to put I have prepped and inked all round my pieces before I started this time, just to make the video a little bit quicker, not so boring for you to watch. Beautiful day here today. We've got sunshiny day. It's my grandson's sports day at school. It's his first year at school, and his mum's up there with him, and he's having a ball. So I'm going to put a bit of lace on this one. And I did this too. She put a bit of lace on here as well. I'm just going to put a little butterfly on here as well. Come on. I'll just let that dry before I put that in. And the other one. Now, Anna sews these. She sews hers together and sews around her pockets and all that. I don't like sewing. I hate sewing. So, yes, it looks nice, but everyone to their taste. And it's just, no, not for me. But whatever you want to do, you make it your own. I'll just put that there because that's where that goes, but it's not dry yet. Just going to put this on with a and I actually put it on this side. So I think I might do this one like Anna did. Won't put so much glue on it this time. Make it a bit more of a tuck there. Back to the front. Now I'm going to do the big tag at the back first. You take the big tag and to glue it together. A little, what's the name in it? Get in there. Come on. Oh, I do find these hard to push through. That's gotcha. Get the big crocodile in. Put a bit of ribbon through. Oh, yeah, no, do that. Okay. Rose on. I've got a little rose here on a bulb pen. Just to decorate it. And a bit of glue on the belly band. And I have another sheet of this paper here. I'll just fold that over. Put anything in here, whatever you want. You can just put a plain piece of coffee dyed paper, doesn't matter. This is, I can't even read, it's not even in English. There you go. So that goes under there. That goes in the back top pocket. Okay, the next one to go in is the littler one. Anna glued hers. I like to leave mine open. It sort of gives me a bit more journaling space. But I will put the tag on the back. both sides went in. Okay, that one goes in the middle pocket, and then this one. Glue around the edge. Put that up the right way, because that always helps. Put this little tag on the top of the little ticket here. Bit of paper, card. I printed all this on, oh, that's not even in the middle. Quick. There we go. Okay, so that goes in there, hopefully. And that goes in the bottom pocket. So there you go. That's the difference. That's so pretty. Not boring plain one there. So Anna from Pink Monarch Prints, Super Simples number 9, and that's where you can reach me. I've got my website, I'm on Facebook, and that's my email. Anyway, have a go at that. You'll enjoy it. Catch you next time. Bye.